I don't. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. It's connected. It's connected.
All right.
Go ahead.
You're welcome.
Good morning. I'm Lindsay Madison. I am here with your Scott Area Chamber of Commerce, and we are here featuring Chamber member Bartelsmeyer Jewelry to give you a few more ideas for gift options for the holidays, and also one more week of opportunity to come out and support your local businesses that are here throughout the year supporting our community. So I'm going to introduce Chris. She's the manager here, and she's going to show us some of the items they have. You can get things here in all price ranges, and she's going to tell us more about that.
Hi guys. So yeah, Lindsay was asking me what kind of inventory we have here for gift ideas for Christmas. One new line that we have right now is Anya Hay, and I put a little necklace out here. These are all sterling silver pieces. A lot of them are rose gold or yellow gold plated, and they're really great price range. These make great gifts for like young girls and teenagers that are really trendy designs, really cute pieces that are just like right on the cutting edge of what's popular right now. And some great price points. You can get lots of little stocking stuffers. They've got some earrings that have different colored stones, and they've got the different little coin style earrings that you've been probably seeing in magazines and on news anchors that are just really popular and trendy right now. So we are really in love with this company, and even some of our staff have been wearing this jewelry a lot. So really cute pieces here that are great price points.
Can you take a peek down here, Rita,
Yep.
and scan the lots of fun bracelets, necklaces, earrings, fun stuff. So these start all in like the $30 price range on up,
They start around
right?
$30, and I'd say their most expensive necklace is around $99, and they are really cute. We've been selling a lot of them this year.
Awesome. So you have gifts for both men and women here, not just
Yeah, we do.
the ladies, right?
We've got a lot of stainless steel crosses that we carry for men, and one thing that we've been noticing is really popular are the black colored jewelry for men. So we have this cross here that's really neat that has the black plating with a wood insert. And we like to keep some men's jewelry in stock all the time. So we usually have some crosses, St. Christopher's. A lot of times we'll have bracelets, and we always have rings for men that are in stock that are wedding rings and also just fashion rings for men.
Well, we're right over here. I see behind you, you have some neat gifts for babies and little keepsake things too, don't you?
So these are our baby gifts. A lot of them are engravable. These little sets are always a cute gift for babies, and we can engrave their name and their date of birth. They always turn out super cute, and we do free gift wrapping on these. We have baby paper. We also have free gift wrapping for Christmas gifts, and that's a complimentary service that we offer to all of our customers whenever they purchase something from us. We also have the little baby rings too, which is a more traditional gift, and they're so sweet and cute. And we always have these little rings in stock, usually in silver, gold, or white gold. And this one is an engravable one. A lot of times we'll have that if you want to put an initial on the baby ring, but those are always something that we carry here at the store.
Do you do the engraving like on the spot, or do they need to make an appointment
So
for
I
that?
do all of the engraving here at the store. We have some different font options, and usually I'll just show them while they're here so they can choose the font style they like. And I'd say that it usually takes a day or two to get the engraving finished, as long as it's not something that's extremely complex. So we do that in-house. It doesn't take very long normally.
Awesome.
$11.19. No, $11.20.
Another thing that we're really excited about this year is we have started to carry lab-grown diamonds. So we've got several things in our diamond case right here in the center. And so we've got some diamond earrings and lab-grown.
They are sterling
in stock
silver.
right now.
So if somebody just leaves them
This
in the
pair
box
is about a carat total weight,
hangs them up
and this
on
pair
puts them
is
in
about
They're gonna
a
charge.
half carat total weight. And these are
can
all
get these little,
really high grade, very sparkly stones. The great thing about lab grown diamonds is that you can get a better grade and size for a lot less expensive. So to give you an idea, the carat stones here are $1,400 in lab grown with a high grade, and these are about a carat total weight in natural stones that are $1,150. And they're a little bit lower grade than these, so you're getting a better grade and the same size for a lot less money. So we've been really excited about our lab growns. We've been selling them a lot. People are really loving the option to purchase those. We also have some really cool rings. This is one that John just finished making up, and we put out for Christmas in rose gold. That's an oval cut lab grown diamond, and it is $1,800. Really great look for the price.
And then, of course, you specialize in your engagement rings if they're still thinking about
Right, yeah, we
proposing.
Yeah.
Or anniversary
do.
ring,
So
maybe.
we always have lots of beautiful rings in stock. We also do custom design if there's something that isn't in our showcase that they have in mind from Pinterest or from something that they've seen online. They can always bring a picture in, and we do custom designs and can recreate about anything you see. I can show you my ring. This is a custom design that I did for my engagement ring.
Oh my goodness.
And we can do about anything. Just to give you an idea, that's a beautiful custom design from the company that we work with is Shaw, and they just do beautiful work. I was really happy with how mine turned out.
It's gorgeous. And you have catalogs they can look through too if you don't have it here in the store, right?
We have catalogs that are here in the store if they just want to flip through. We also have an online catalog that I can give them the link to take a look and browse online. They can even customize rings online through our jeweler showcase online. And that's a really great way to be able to go home, kind of do some research yourself, see what you like, own what you don't, and then bring it back into us for us to make an estimate and get something ordered.
Do you sell online? Like, can they actually check out online?
We don't
Or-
sell online currently, but we can have a quote sent to us, and from that quote that we receive an email from, we can place an order. So it's not directly online, but we're working on that.
And you are having a special right now if you spend over $100. So you want to talk
Yes,
about that?
if you spend over $100, you get a free promotional pair of earrings, and they're in these cute little red bags. These are stainless steel with some sparkly beads on them. They're perfect for the
cute.
holidays. Super cute. People have been so excited to get these with their packages. And they're always like, oh, this will be a great little extra gift. So, yeah, those are our little giveaway for Christmas this year.
And of course, you do gift certificates if
We
they
do gift certificates, and we can do it for any amount that you want. We have a cute little gift certificate envelope stored them that we can put the amounts and who it's from, and then we can gift wrap those also.
All right. Well, we can't get off this video without taking a peek at John. Wave at our audience.
Hello.
Merry Christmas, John. Thank you for all you do for the community.
Thank you.
We love Bartelsmeyers.
And
so-
this is Jenna Bond. Right?
and Cindy's in the back, right? So,
Yeah.
so yes. Again, thank you to Bartelsmeyers. Come in and shop. You won't be disappointed with the amazing sparkly things that you can find here. So, just another local store in Fort Scott, Kansas, and we hope you have a Merry Christmas.